welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. So for today's video, we are gonna go from basic to bougie. I am going to transform myself from this to something a lot more attractive. So I am just going to jump straight into it. And if you guys want to see how I transform myself and make myself look a little bit more bougie, please stick around and enjoy this video.
God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't, yeah. I feel good sometimes I don't, like, no. I finesse down Western Road.
Alright, the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna whiten my teeth. Now this isn't sponsored, I know like doing it in this video makes it seem somewhat sponsored, but I honestly never have the time to whiten my teeth on a normal day, because when I'm just sitting down editing, I'm drinking coffee, and that is the reason why my teeth are not so white. So I'm using these. I just bought these from Safeway, Woolworths, they changed the name. Yeah, I just bought these from Woolies. They're just the Oral-B 3D white strips, and I'm just gonna use them. Wait, was it even smart me doing this? Because I wasn't planning on doing a voiceover. Okay, so essentially I was gonna do a talk through, but I think with these in my mouth it's gonna be a little bit difficult. So I'm gonna do a voiceover. Okay, so I just prepped my eyes and I've kind of just realized that the silent thing really isn't working for me. Like I really enjoy these days like talking through my videos. So I'm just gonna talk. And I don't really sound that weird, I don't think, no, I just have a little bit of a lisp. But for my eyes, I've just done my brows, prepped my skin and prepped my eyes. And I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette remastered. This is the first time I use this palette, so I'm very excited. I'm going to start with the crease, and I'm going to take the shade Sandalwood, which is this really pretty light brown shade. I never know how to hold this thing. Here we go. It's just this shade down here. And we're just going to work that into the crease. Woo! That is so much more pigmented than I expected. I think I had a little bit too much on my brush. Really like that already. Next I'm taking this shade down here called Henna, which is a little bit darker, so I'm going to take that and apply that more so into the socket line. And I think after that I'm going to take the shade next to it, which is called Man Eater, which is a really pretty red shade. You guys know reds are my favorite tones to use. You guys, you honestly want to know how basic I am. Like I'm that much of a basic bitch. I'm still in my pajamas. Yeah. So we're gonna, when I say that we're going from basic to bougie, I mean like, it's literally gonna get me out of my pajamas. That's how bougie we're gonna go. Bougie for me is just getting out of my pajamas, literally. I'm just applying more of the henna shade. I haven't moved on to Man Eater yet. I'm still applying just henna. I really just wanna make this color really pigmented. I mean really opaque. I'm just taking a clean blending brush now and blending those edges out. Okay, next I'm taking the shade Man Eater, but I think I want a smaller brush. I'm gonna use a zoeva 231 Luxe Petit Crease brush. This and the is it 238? Yeah, 238. These are, oh, I'm so clumsy. Every time I pick up this brush, I just keep dropping it. But these two are my favorite zoeva brushes. So if you need any good eyeshadow brushes, or if you're looking for new brushes, check those out. Okay, so we're just dipping into Man Eater. And I'm applying that into the crease as well, to really deepen that up. Okay, so next I'm taking the shade Cocoa, which is this dark brown shade, and I'm gonna apply that just to my outer corner to deepen it up a little bit. Okay, so I do feel like by applying that darker color, it do take away a little bit of the red, so I'm gonna go back with Man Eater and just apply that on top, because I do prefer a little bit more of like the reddy tone over the brown. I think I'm gonna do a Stila Magnificent Metals eyeshadow, because I don't think these are gonna look the way I want them to look. Oh, actually, Bubbly is a very nice color. No, maybe next time. I want something really like over the top and sparkly. So I'm taking one of these Stila Magnificent Metals eyeshadows. This is the shade Bronze Belle, and I think I want to create a cut crease, so I'm gonna use that and create a cut crease. I'm first gonna just apply it directly onto my eyelid. Oh, I love this stuff. In the areas I want to be a little bit more precise, I'm taking a little brush. This one's by Smashbox. I'm gonna use it to sharpen it up. How pretty does that look, you guys? I love this color. This is my new favorite. I'm gonna take that little brush and just blend out those edges because we don't want that looking harsh. I'm gonna take my fluffy brush and I'm gonna just add a bit of like the brown and the red, so cocoa and manita, just to blend that out. So I'm now going to take a little bit of the black eyeshadow. It's called Black Truffle, and I'm just going to take it on a small pencil brush, and I'm going to apply that very close to my top lash line, but I just want to add a little bit of darkness to the outer corner of this eye. I'm not going to do too much there, just a small amount. And make sure that everything is blended together. So now I'm just going to create a wings liner. I'm using my Stila Stay All Day waterproof liquid liner. This is probably the shittest wing I've ever done in my history of wings. No, not happy with that, Jan. Okay, so I am kind of gonna smoke out the end of this liner because I don't like it. So right now, we're not really looking very bougie. I just took a bit of the black eyeshadow on a pencil brush and I'm just smoking it out. Okay, I'm liking it again. How to fix a wing liner you don't like? Turn it into a smoky liner. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply some mascara, and I'm also gonna apply some lashes. And I will most likely be using my, what do you call them? Iris Beauty Athena. Okay, so that is the eyes done for now. We're moving on to the face. So for my skin, I'm using the Mecca Max Life Proof Long Wear Foundation. I'm the shade Sand. And I'm going to apply this all over my face with a damp beauty blender. Okay, so my camera has done that thing again where it freaking cuts out, and I don't understand why. Well, I don't really think it's my camera, I think it's my laptop, because it only happens whenever I use my laptop as a screen type thing. So I haven't really done, well, anything really different, just applied some concealer and blended that out with my damn beauty blender. And now I'm just gonna bake. I'm just gonna use my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder as I do. And while we're baking, we're gonna smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna take the pencil brush that had the black on it, and I'm just cleaning it a little bit. It looks even dirtier, but I just wiped off some of the excess black, and I'm taking a bit of the shade Cocoa and smoking out my lower lash line. I'm running it all the way. I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of the black truffle, more so in the outer corner, but I'm keeping it, or trying to keep it, super close to the lash line. I don't wanna bring it down too low. And I'm also just applying some mascara to my lower lashes. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna keep it very simple, very nude. So I'm first gonna line my lips with the MAC Spice Lip Liner, and I'm gonna go over it mainly in the center with the Sports Girl Lip Chalk in Sandstorm. And then to dust off all that powder, I'm taking my Becca Multitasking Perfecting Powder. So to bronze up my face, I'm taking the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. For blush, I'm taking the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. I'm really excited to use this, and it smells so good. It was the first thing that I noticed when I opened it the first time. I'm gonna take the shade Pink Sand, and I'm gonna apply that to the apples on my cheeks. For highlighter, I'm gonna use a shade from this palette called Satin Sheets. It looks so pretty. I do think that highlighter was a little bit too golden for me, so I'm taking a little bit of Champagne Pop and applying it on top. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of Champagne Pop to my brow bone highlight. is the finished look. I've just gone upstairs, fixed my hair a little bit, chucked on some earrings, and got out of my PJs. Do I look bougie now? Do I look somewhat bougie? I mean, I'm too basic to be bougie, so I don't think that's the title we should be using. From basic to less basic. I think that works, but whatever. So yeah, this is it for the finished look. I ended up taking, I forgot I had whitening strips in my mouth, so I went and took them out. Did my teeth look whiter? I should have taken a before photo. One thing that I did notice straight away is that I have this patch in, do you call it a canine tooth? In one of my canines, you can probably see it. That has gotten so much wider and so much more noticeable, which is not a good thing because it's literally just a patch of like white. Can you see it? But yeah, it kind of bothers me, but it kind of looks like, you know how people get like the rhinestones or diamond tears like on their teeth? Kind of looks like that, only not so sparkly. That's just how obvious it is. But yes, I am very happy with this makeup look. I think it looks great. I haven't, oh my god, I haven't worn heavy eyes like this in so long and I miss it. But this is gonna make for some cool Instagram pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of the makeup look in the comments down below. And as always, you know the drill. Like this video if you enjoyed, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the little notification bell if you'd like to be notified when I do upload. Also, I would love to see your recreations of this look. So get creative and recreate my look and post it on Instagram. Tag me so I can see it, and I'll like and comment because I love seeing your recreations. So yeah, thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.